Imagine this, 90 days from now, you wake up, check your phone, and there's an extra $1,000 coming in every month from a simple skill you already have or can learn fast. No viral fame, no quitting your job overnight. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I take one small skill and turn it into $1,000 per month in 90 days. Real clients, real money, no gimmicks. Let's start with a clear frame. I'm not promising that every single person watching this will magically make exactly $1,000 per month in exactly 90 days. What I'm giving you is a realistic roadmap, the kind of skills that can work, how to package that skill into an offer, the math behind $1,000 per month, and a clear 90-day action plan to give yourself a real chance. If you're willing to, focus on one skill, put in consistent work, and talk to actual humans. This video can be the start of your first serious side income. Rich Horizon Key exists to help you turn ideas into money systems. So let's break this down. Step 1, you need the right kind of skill. Not every skill is equal when it comes to making $1,000 per month quickly. The skill you choose should be valuable. It solves a problem people actually care about. Visible. People can understand it and pay for it. Reachable. You can learn the basics in weeks, not years. Let me give you some realistic examples. Writing, blog posts, emails, product descriptions, scripts, visuals, thumbnails, basic design, carousels, social media posts, video, editing short form clips, podcast cuts, simple YouTube edits, marketing, setting up email campaigns, simple ads, landing pages, operations, setting up Notion/ClickUp boards, simple automations, real-world services, cleaning, tutoring, photography, home organizing, fitness coaching. Notice something. All of these skills either make money, save time, or reduce stress for someone. That's why people are willing to pay. If I were you, I'd ask, what do people already ask me help with? What do I find easy that others find hard or boring? What could I become good enough at in 30 to 60 days if I study and practice? Pick one skill, write it down, because $1,000 a month doesn't come from being kind of okay at 10 things. It comes from being clearly useful at one thing. A skill on its own doesn't pay you, an offer does. So let's turn your skill into something someone can understand and buy. There are 3 parts to a good offer: who you help, what you do for them, what result they can expect. For example, I edit 10 TikTok/Shorts clips per month for busy coaches who don't have time to edit. I design weekly Instagram posts for local restaurants who want their menu to look premium. I help small business owners rewrite their homepages so customers actually understand and buy. Now let's connect this to $1,000 per month. There are many ways to get there. 4 clients paying $250 per month equals $1,000. 5 clients paying $200 per month equals $1,000. 10 clients paying $100 per month equals $1,000. If I was starting from zero, I'd probably aim for 4 to 5 clients paying between $200 and $300 per month. Why? It feels reachable. Each client gets real attention. You don't need 50 customers. So I do this. Decide on a simple monthly package. For example, 8 to 12 edited clips per month, or 4 emails per month, or 8 social posts per month. Price it in a way that feels fair for them and worth it for you. $200, $250, or $300 per month. Do the math on your time. Can I deliver this in 4 to 6 hours per client per month? If yes, good. If no, adjust the package. Your brain must see it clearly. With this offer, 4 to 5 humans saying yes equals my first $1,000 per month. Now, let's talk about the 90-day sprint. 90 days is long enough to get real traction, but short enough to create urgency. I'd break it into 3 phases. Phase 1, days 1 to 30, skill and assets. In the first 30 days, My focus would be get my skill to a solid level, build the minimum assets I need to sell it, concretely learn from 3 to 5 high quality sources, a good YouTube playlist, one focused course, real examples from people doing this, practice on fake or free projects, do 3 to 5 pieces of work as if you were already hired. Example, 5 reels for a pretend client, 3 homepage rewrites, 5 thumbnails. Build a simple portfolio, a Notion page, Google Drive folder, or simple website with 3 to 5 best samples, 2 to 3 sentences. Who you help, what you do, how to contact you. No endless design, just enough to show, I can do the work, here is proof. Phase 2, days 31 to 60. Conversations and first clients. Next 30 days, talk to humans. Your mission is not to go viral. Your mission is to get your first 1 to 3 paying clients. I'd do this. Make a list of 30 to 50 potential people you could help. Local businesses, creators, friends with businesses, people you follow online. Reach out with a simple, respectful message. Hey Nee, I've been working on skill. I'd love to help you with specific result. I created a few examples here. .com to Nee. If you ever want help with that, I'd be happy to do a first project at a reduced rate so you can test me. Aim for conversations, not perfection. Some want answers. Some will say, not now. A few will say, maybe, or let's try. Your goal in this phase, land 1 to 3 paying clients, even if it's not yet at $250 per month. You just need real money to start the engine. Phase 3. Days 61 to 90. Improve and stabilize at $1,000 per month. In the last 30 days, you've done work, you've made some money, you've seen what clients really want. Now, you improve your offer based on reality. Maybe clients want more volume, or a slightly different format, or faster delivery. Raise early prices gently for new clients going forward, or upgrading existing clients if they're happy. Try to reach 4 to 5 consistent clients at your target monthly price, or 2 to 3 bigger clients with a bit higher offer. At day 90, you might be at $600 per month, $800 per month, or already $1,000 per month. The exact number matters less than this. You've proven that your skill plus offer plus outreach equals money. From there, you're not guessing, you're optimizing. Now let's talk about the things that silently kill this plan. Because most people don't fail because it's impossible. They fail because they get trapped. Trap 1. Learning forever, never offering. Watching tutorials feels productive, but only client conversations create income. If you've watched 10+ hours of content and done 0 offers, you're hiding. Action. For every 1 hour of learning, do 1 hour of creating or reaching out. Trap 2. Changing skills every week. Week 1, design. Week 2, editing. Week 3, dropshipping. Week 4, something else. You never get good enough at one thing to be actually useful. Action. Commit to one skill for at least 90 days. You can pivot later, not in the middle of the sprint. Trap 3. Overthinking the brand. Spending weeks on logo, username, colors, while having 0 clients. Action. Build a simple page and start talking to people. You can upgrade your brand once money is coming in. Trap 4. Pricing with fear instead of logic. I'll charge $20, so they say yes. Result. You resent the work. You can't reach $1,000 a month, and clients don't even respect you. Action. Price from your $1,000 per month target and the value you bring. Start fair, adjust from feedback, but don't work for almost free. This $1,000 per month skill isn't just extra cash. If you plug it into your 2026 wealth plan, it becomes something much bigger. Imagine your 9 to 5 covers your life basics. This skill brings in an extra $800 to $1,000 per month. You still live intentionally simple for a while. That extra money can kill bad debt faster, build your emergency fund, or feed your freedom and investing bucket every month. Over 1 year, $800 per month equals $9,600. $1,000 per month equals $12,000. If you invest even a part of that consistently, your future looks completely different. This is the bridge between I wish I had more money and I have a skill that can bring me money whenever I need it. That's real confidence. If you're still here, you're not just fantasizing, you're looking for a plan. Here's your homework from this video. Choose one skill you'll commit to for 90 days. Write a simple offer and do the math to reach $1,000 per month. Map out your phase 1, 2, 3 on a calendar. If you want support, clarity, and more roadmaps like this, subscribe to Rich Horizon Key. Like this video so it reaches people who need a practical path. And in the comments, tell me, what skill are you choosing? And what will your $1,000 per month pay for in 2026? This is how you stop waiting for one day and start building a real money engine in your life. One skill, one clear offer, 90 days. Let's build your rich horizon.